I don't care.
One of y'all get on the other side.
Just go on the other side, Aaliyah.
Picture right here, move over. You always gonna be mad different.
I said here when I first got here.
So move over, bro. It's no difference. I'm not about to walk around in this car going by. Move the fuck over.
I know we're not about to say who.
Niggas don't care.
Suck my dick, bitch.
Bitch, man. I pushed you. Okay.
We're going to the same place we went to yesterday.
Alright, vlog. So today is part 2 with Vlogmas cooking on 5th, and I got my baby goons in the back seat.
In this video, I'm mad.
They tight.
I'm on that. I'm not tight. What's up?
Nothing, Kylie. If I'm
bro, shut up, bitch.
You're not talking to me.
Fuck you,
You're not,
dumb
when we
annoying.
get out this car, we can shoot the gun.
Bro, you're dumb annoying. Like,
Hey, yeah.
my head. Like, go home. Grandma don't even like you. Go home.
Do you want to fight?
Like, fuck you.
Do you want to fight?
Annoying.
Do you
I already
fight?
broke you up, bro.
Kylie, do not break me up. You never wanted to do a rematch. Do you want to fight? We could fight. When we get out the car,
Let me turn the camera. Alright, we be back, y'all. We be back. Y'all, hold on, my light off. Why are we back in the dumbass supermarket? Because Aaliyah forgot to tell us to get another box of macaroni. And I really can't even see because I don't have my glasses on. So I don't know what aisle I'm walking in and out. But we literally just came in here, checked everything out. As soon as we got back in the car, she's like, we didn't get the box of macaroni. Aaliyah's really a dunce. But we're walking now in the supermarket. Them arguing in the car just had me weak as hell, yo. Cause why was y'all even arguing like that? I really don't even know what I was looking, because this is not my supermarket. But I don't think y'all, oh, right here, found it. But I'm gonna come back and vlog when we get back into the house, because I just found the box. So how about you shut up? So far, so good vlog. My camera died in the middle of us doing everything, so I had to put the camera on the charger. Why we ain't even get no vegetables? I didn't even look to see if we had any either. We forgot to grab the corn out of the supermarket. Everything is already pretty much done. We got black beans. We got peas. I think I'm gonna make some peas. I don't know how to make peas. I never made those before. But my mom eat. Huh? It go like when you make rice and peas. You know how it is? You've never had macaroni with peas before? Baby, my titi used to do that too. So I think we want to go to the store.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go to the store, y'all. So we're gonna vlog. We're gonna go to the store and get some corn because she don't want no peas. Most of the stuff is done. Macaroni's done. How are we gonna leave the chicken?
No, I'm about to take it out.
When we finish frying these pieces of chicken, we're gonna go to the store, get the corn. After, we're gonna you just be there. Say what's up.
What's going on, vlog? How y'all feeling?
Uncle Gunno in the cut. After that, y'all, we're gonna vlog, and then after we finish and we make the plates, we're just gonna talk to y'all because we don't have nothing better to do with our life. I'm coming. Bye, vlog. Honestly, I've been coming up on YouTube looking crazy. Like, I've been looking like don't nobody love me. I have not been consistent on YouTube. I keep coming up in here and telling you that every video I look a mess. I'm gonna look like this until like the 20 something because I need my hair done. But it's what, today is the 17th and Christmas is in like a week, and so I'm just trying to wait out until Christmas to get my hair done because it's no point in getting my hair done now and I have to get my hair done again for Christmas. But in this video, y'all, it was a lot of chaos again. Like, I feel like every time we cook it's so chaotic. Like, I don't know, but it was good. The food was good. I didn't get no videos. Like, I started placing down plates, and by the time I turned around to pick up the camera, everybody was coming around grabbing food. Literally, like, that was literally how that happened. So, moral of the story, I only came on here to do an outro because I don't want to just end it at the food. So, moral of the story, y'all, this is another cooking vlog back to back. This what I dropped yesterday, I think, and then I was gonna drop this video today too, because all my videos, when I post them late night, they actually flick off. When I post them during the day, they don't go off. So I think I'm gonna start posting videos later at night, maybe like 10 11ish every night, because that's when my videos actually go off, like literally. I keep talking about this 12-month recap, and I keep not doing a recap, but I think I'm gonna start it tonight and finish it tomorrow. But I don't know, I just know I'm about to edit this video. I already made a thumbnail, but if you've seen the video, like if you got to the video, then you already seen the thumbnail. But it's just, I think it was tea. Like, I just think it's super tea. Like, I think the thumbnail is super cute. I don't know, I feel like I've been getting really, like, I'm really advancing when it comes to making my thumbnails, and I congratulate myself for that, because when I first started YouTube, my thumbnails were dirt. Let me go to the bottom of my channel and see what my first thumbnail was. I know it was, like, I never even knew you had to take pictures for a thumbnail. Look, I used I made a dorm tour. That was my first video, and my thumbnail was, never not did my camera literally die on me while I was in the middle of that clip. That's disrespectful. But I was saying my video was a dorm tour and my thumbnail was trees. That's whack. But I'm done. I'm off this. I'm gonna holla at y'all on my next video. Happy Vlogmas. Have a good night. My camera just aggravated me. I was in the middle of my vlog and the camera got some nerve to turn off. Now I'm about to finish editing my video, and after I edit my video, I'm gonna figure out the next video that I'm gonna record. So everybody have a good night.